Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. Happy Friday. NCLH was on my main watch list this morning, and the reason being is because it was trading on a large amount of volume pre-market, and the price action pre-market looked as if the market was open, and it had gapped down, I believe, about 10%. And it was also trading against the SPY right before the market opened. SPY was looking very strong pre-market, and NCLH was selling off. And so I started watching it right at the open. It came back and tested the VWAP, and it was really consolidating under the 9 moving average on the 1-minute chart. Also, when it sold off right at the open, it did so on very large volume, 1.5 mil. So then it came back and was testing this 9 moving average on relatively low volume. Here you have the volume come back in, and because it sold off so hard at the open, I figured it had another leg down. So after the consolidation and when I saw the volume coming in, I took a short position. My stop was above the 9 moving average, or really probably closer to the 20. I use Kyle's hotkeys. He's a moderator at BBT. We're very thankful that he has shared these with us. So what these hotkeys do is I can double click where I want my hard stop to be, and it automatically enters me into the position with a fixed amount, a dollar amount risk that I choose. And what works for me is I will have a hard stop above, let's say, for instance, this particular time, my hard stop was above the VWAP, and my mental stop was really if it started pushing up through these moving averages on the 1 minute. And because I do that, I have my hotkeys, really my risk is set to double what I like it to be. For instance, if I wanted to risk $50 on this trade, my hotkey has it that I'm risking $100. And so I have that hard stop in out of just cushion and safety. It just makes me feel good. So if I put my hard stop down here where I really am going to get out, then it could come up, wick me out, and then continue in my direction. That way, if I give my stop a little room to move, I can manage my trade better. So anyhow, I took a short position, and then I took my first 25% partial when it hit a new 5-minute low, and then another 25%, and then the rest were 50%. And where I took my partials were at levels I had marked from the daily, or when I saw a ton of volume come in. As you can see right here, you have this doji candle forming on the 1 minute, and here goes the 1.4 mil volume coming in again. So I went ahead and exited most of my position. I believe I had about 10% of my original position left to see if it could make it down to this 27 level that I had marked from the daily. However, when it threw up a hammer doji on the 15-minute and it made a new high, I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. But that was my one and done trade for the day. I hope you all have a great Friday, a great weekend. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.